Monopoly Go fans, did you know you can play with friends and go head to head in multiplayer mode? Today I'll show you exactly how to connect and compete in Monopoly Go multiplayer. Let's roll. First thing, open Monopoly Go and tap on the friends icon at the bottom right. Here's where the multiplayer magic happens. You can add friends by connecting your Facebook, inviting through contact, and sharing your personal invite link. The more friends you add, the more fun you will get. Once your friends are added, every roll is a chance to land on their properties, pay rents, or even sort down their bills. It's friendly rivalry with big rewards for you both. And that's how you play Monopoly Go multiplayer. So go ahead, add your friend, compete, and have tons of fun. Comment below who are you playing with, and if this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more Monopoly Go tricks.